I'm here to break some news. To be completely honest with you, Shopify dropshipping is no longer sustainable in the long run. Now, I don't want you to take that and just leave, because just 4 years ago, I started my very first dropshipping store, and since then, it's proven to me time and time again to be a great way to start making money online, as I've been able to generate millions of dollars in online sales. Now, I didn't do that just from dropshipping random products, but I used specific strategies and understood key elements that you need to know that I'll be revealing today so that you can turn your Shopify dropshipping store into something that can make you money for years to come. What's going on, everyone? My name is AC Hampton, and for those of you who do not know me, I'm an 8-figure marketer and coach who teaches people how to start, build, and scale profitable e-commerce brands. If you do know who I am, welcome back for another video that you're not going to want to miss out on, and thank you for always showing love. Before I head into exactly what you need to know before you start dropshipping, each and every week, I give out a free one-on-one consulting call to one lucky person who's ready to take action and start getting the results that they're looking for. The winner from last week will be announced somewhere inside this video, but if you want the chance to win this week, all you have to do is in the comment section below, comment the word brand and what your biggest takeaway from this video was. And just remember that if you're having any questions about this video or about how you can get started successfully with your own online store, you can head over to my Instagram at AC_Hampton, DM me the word YouTube so I can reach out and help out in any way possible. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first thing that we have to talk about that you need to know before getting into Shopify dropshipping is that the product that you're selling is the key to any success that you'll have with your online store. You cannot come into this business thinking that you're able to sell any and every single thing that you lay your eyes on. It's a mistake that I see many beginners make, and it's something that even I have fallen victim to as well. If you come in and you just start testing any and absolutely everything, you're going to be spending a lot more money than you're actually making. Although you can make some sales and money off of a trending product, 9 times out of 10, it is not a product that has the potential to be branded and bring you the years of income that you're looking for. It will likely be just short-lived. That is why when you're looking for a product that you want, not only should you be looking for something that solves a problem, is being sold for $25 or more, and has a wow factor behind it, but something that you can potentially see as a product that can be branded as well. Take the BlendJet for example. It was a very high quality dropshipping product when it came out that met all those requirements and is now a multi-million-dollar brand. You have to look for the potential in a product before deciding to sell it, as those little here and gone products that you may be getting a couple sales off of, they will not continue to bring in a lifetime of income for you. And that is the main reason that you're getting into dropshipping. The main reason why I dropship is make sustainable passive income for years and not just for the temporary. Now, the next thing that you need to know before heading into Shopify dropshipping is that you need to understand an in-depth product research and product validation process. You have to be willing to set aside a couple hours a day to put all your effort into finding a product that you can launch into a successful e-commerce store with and later create a successful e-commerce brand with. Every single week and every single day, I still even take the initiative to do product research because I want to continue to keep staying ahead of the trend and finding products that can be making me some serious money. And that initiative and that consistency is the exact same mindset that you need to have. And honestly, when it comes down to it, product research alone is going to take up most of your time, and that is because the product that you choose is so detrimental to the success that you will have with your online store. The way that you can be successful with the products that you're choosing is by having a step-by-step process that you can follow time and time again after you have found your first winning product. Once you find your first winning product, you're able to replicate that exact same process to continue to find products over and over again that fit exactly what you're looking for. Not only does this help you find winning products consistently time and time again, but it holds you accountable for the steps that you need to take on a daily basis in order to continue to keep finding them, which ultimately helps you avoid frustrations that you may run into if you're all over the place looking for products. So right now, make sure you grab your pens, grab your paper, and take it out and start writing down these next steps. Now, the step-by-step process of product research and validation that has allowed me to find winning products after winning products and create multiple e-commerce brands that are still allowing me to bring money in till this day is: first is find a product that meets the requirements that we talked about, which is solving a problem, being sold for $25 or more, and has a wow factor and the potential to brand. Secondly, make sure that it has recent and current engagement within the last couple of minutes and hours, which is going to tell you that customers are genuinely interested in the product and that the seller is pushing more money into the ad, which they wouldn't be doing if they weren't making money from it. And thirdly, but lastly, make sure that you find at least 2 to 3 competitors who have sold this product before or are currently selling it right now and have done or currently doing really well with it. By making sure that you're utilizing your resources like Google Trends that will allow you to literally look up the product that you found and see the trend behind it. And on top of that, following the step processes that I just revealed to you, you're going to find your first winning product and your first brandable product. Now, taking these steps and applying them, you will find products that can work for you, but what comes with that is finding suppliers that can also work for you. And I do not just leave the validation to the products, but I also do supplier validation, as you need to be expecting to talk to a couple suppliers on the regular basis. This is because having a great supplier feeds into having great customer feedback and great customer care, which only brings you even more profit. When deciding on your supplier that you want to go ahead and use to sell the product that you have found, it is very important that you do a little bit of validation by talking to a couple different suppliers and looking in a couple different sites. This is so that you know that you're getting the best price and the best shipping times available, so that you don't have to worry about loads of angry customer emails and poor customer feedback. And whenever you reach out to these suppliers, you want to ask them a couple different questions, like asking for proof of inventory, proof of shipment to the locations that you're planning to ship to, so that you can know exactly how long it will take to get there, and also negotiate the selling and shipping prices with them. Now, there is a common misconception that if you source products from AliExpress, you're going to be waiting months for your product, but if you do the necessary steps that I just talked about, you can be sure to avoid that. AliExpress is actually where I was able to find my private supplier that I still use till this day, who has helped me grow multiple brands and made sure that my customers were not only happy with their product, but also their shipping times, and I've been using the supplier for years. So if you're wanting help on finding winning products consistently and access to my private supplier with the help of my team and I, product research and sourcing is something that we go over in depth within my one-on-one mentorship. So if you're ready to learn exactly how to start your own online business successfully, head over to my Instagram at AC_Hampton and DM me the word mentorship so I can reach out and help you get started, or you can also apply with the link down in the description. Spots are very limited and I only have 4 spots left this month of July, so make sure that you take action, and I can't wait to help out in any way. Now, the next thing that you need to know before getting into dropshipping is the type of store that you should be testing your products on. There's 3 different types of stores that you can build, and those are a general store, which allows you to build a clean layout but test any product that you want. The next is a one product store, which focuses on selling only one specific product. And lastly, a niche focused store, which allows you to sell a certain niche of products. So if you're selling pet products right now, the entire store would be promoting pet products. Now, when getting your store off the ground and running, I always suggest that you start off with a general store. A general store is what's going to allow you, like I said, to test multitudes of products so that you're not stuck with an entire store built around one product that may not even work for you. This is not just helping you save money in the wrong direction, but also time and energy. This is the benefit of using a general store. So even if you don't succeed on the first time, you can already have another product, even if it's not in the same niche, ready for you to start selling. So even if one product doesn't do well in sales, that's fine, because all you have to do is create another product page for your next product, as opposed to completely changing up the appearance of your entire store, or worse, making an entire new store from scratch. So with that being said, do yourself a favor, especially if you're just now starting off, and use a general store, which I show you exactly how to build in this video right here. Now, to put it simply, the goal is not to continue to keep selling your winning products on a general store. The ultimate goal is just to efficiently find your winning product with the help of your general store by having the ability to test different product after different product, all within the same storefront. And then once I hit about $100,000 to $200,000 with the product that I was testing on a general store, that's when I create a one product or niche focused store surrounding that product. And then once you create that brand around that product, this will help you really maximize by adding more personality and branding to the store surrounding that product that makes shoppers feel as you are the originator of the product, which keeps the sales rolling in. Which now brings me to my next point, which I'm sure a lot of you guys are here for, which is the infamous question of whether or not you can start this business model with absolutely no money. And the answer is simply and quickly, the answer is always going to be no. You need to have some form of capital already saved or consistently coming in that you could be allocating towards your dropshipping store. You'll see all these dropshipping gurus have videos about starting from scratch, but when it comes down to it, you're going to make this a lot harder on yourself by using those strategies. I always suggest that you have a budget of $1,000 to $1,500 if you're starting off by yourself, so that you're able to not only pay for your store, but also the expenses that come with it. This will include the domains, the apps, and the theme if you decide to pay for one. Not only that, but in any business that you start off with on the first time, even dropshipping, you are bound to make some costly mistakes. And even though you have costly mistakes, that startup money will give you some cushion room to potentially make those mistakes and continue to improve on them in different campaigns that you're running. Now, the next thing that I want to address is that you have to be willing to spend some money in order to continue to keep making some money. This is a business, and this is a brand new business. In order to have any brand new business grow, you have to be willing to reinvest profits back into it. And off of any new product that you're testing, you have to be willing to reinvest 30 to 50% of your profits back into your business to continue to keep scaling and growing your dropshipping store into a real legitimate brand. And this actually shocks a lot more people than I expected, but yes, you need to be willing to put more money in to get more money out, and that's exactly what reinvesting your profits will do for you. And let me be completely transparent for you. I am never looking to make 100% profit on any product that I sell. That's just not reasonable. But off of any product that I am selling, I'm looking for around 25 to 35% profit margins. And out of that daily 25 to 35% profit margins that I'm looking for, I'm always reinvesting about 30 to 50% of that right back into my ads. So let's say with a product that I was selling yesterday, I made $1,000 profit. Now today, I would reinvest about $500 back into my ads to continue to keep scaling up. With starting any new business, there's going to be times that you may feel like you have no idea what's going on or what you should be doing next. But I hope that this video broke down some of the key things that may be holding you back from starting your own online business. Although dropshipping isn't meant to be a long term, it's meant to help you get your online store off the ground and running and headed towards your final destination, which is a profitable brand. And dropshipping is literally the forefront of that. You're going to have ups and downs throughout this entire journey, but it's not about how you start, but it's about how you finish. So put your head down and get to work, prepare yourself for what's to come, and envision the life that you want when you have an online brand consistently bringing you in money so that you can continue to keep pushing through those hard days. Now, before I leave you all to get to work, you know that I couldn't forget to announce the free one-on-one consulting call winner from last week's video. And the winner of this is going to be getting on a free one-on-one consulting call with myself and my team to get all your questions answered and streamline your success. And the winner of the free one-on-one consulting call is Vanessa Guevara. Vanessa, congratulations on winning. Reach out to me on my Instagram at AC_Hampton. Let me know that you won. We can hop on a one-on-one Zoom call, look over your products, look over your ads, and help out in any way. And if you want the chance to win this next week, remember that all you have to do is in the comment section below, comment the word brand and what your biggest takeaway from this video was. I can't wait to see the success that you all have and maybe even help you out with it. If you like this video and it provided you some valuable insight to you, make sure you smash that like button below, subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on a single week of value. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.
They gon' want a piece when you got it like that. Like Jake said,